go for exercise 1.2 of class 6, that is available at page number 16. So 4-5 question we will solve in this in session. So first question is here. So first question we try to solve it, and question is, a book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final day were respectively 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. Now we need to find total number of tickets sold on all 4 days. So it is asking for the total tickets, means it includes all days tickets that are sold on all 4 days. So to find out, we need to add up all the means sales of all the days. Okay, so we'll add up this and find the final answer. So it will be added like this: 1094 plus 1812 plus 2050 and plus 2751. Okay, so whatever the answer now comes, that will be the answer of this question. So we'll write like this: total number of tickets sold on all days will be equal to sum of tickets sold on all 4 days. Okay, so the answer will come after adding all the numbers. So if you add up these numbers, you just add it up and you will get 7707. So this will be the answer of this question. Okay, now we'll go to solve the second question. So let's come over here and see the second question of the same exercise. Okay, so here the second question is, Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored how many runs? 6980 runs. Okay, in the test match, and he wishes to complete 10,000, means he has not yet completed 10,000 and he has to arrive to 10,000. So how many runs does he need? Means already this much he has made and he wants to go to this. It means if we want to find out how many runs they need, then we need to subtract this number from 10,000. Okay, I think you got the point. So runs needed by Shekhar will be equal to 10,000 minus 6980. Okay, and this will come out 3110. I think this is the answer. Okay, so 69, sorry, this is 69. So the answer will come here as 69 is there, 3010. Oh sorry, this digit is also 8. Okay, anyway, so 6980. So instead, so let me erase some part so that, and this one also. So it is 6980. So the answer will come as 3020. Okay, so this is the final answer of this question. Means this much run, 3020 runs are needed, okay, to arrive at 10,000 runs. So this is the second question of the second exercise. So now we'll go for the third question. Let's go to third question. So this is the third question that we have. In the election, the successful candidate registered this many votes, means 577,500 votes, and his nearest rival 348,700 votes. What margin did the successful candidate win? Means it is asking for the difference, means how much difference was there between the two votes of the rivals. So we need to subtract from the higher numbers to the lower number, so that we can get the margin of the successful candidate that has won the election. So we'll write like this, that margin by which successful candidate means SUCCESS, successful candidate won the election equal to 577,500 minus 348 and 700. Okay, now we can subtract this, and for subtraction we start from the right, and it is 8, and this one is 6. Then you can subtract from this, then you will get 8 here, and now it has become 6, and from 6 you subtract 4, then you will get 2, and this is 5, and subtract 3, then you will get 2. So this much votes are required. This much vote differ by this much vote difference are the margin by which successful candidate has won the election. So this is the answer, our answer. Okay, now we'll go for the question number 4. So let's go to question number 4 of this exercise. So this question is 4 number is Kirti bookstore sold books worth 2,85,891 in the first week of June, and the books worth 4,07,68 in the second week of the month. Means in the first month it was 2,85,000, and in the second week 4,07,68. Okay, how much was the sale of the 2 weeks together? Together means adding up. Okay, together means adding up. So it means we have to add up. Okay, you need to understand the question. First of all, you need to means read it properly, and then understand what the question wants. Okay, and then it is asking that in which week was the sale greater, by how much. Okay, so it is asking for in which week the sale was higher. It means, so in this week means the second week it was higher, and by how much, it means how much means it is asking for the difference between the two. Okay, so first of all we will solve for how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together. We'll find out this, and then in which week sale was higher, so second week, and by how much, then we have to subtract from higher numbers to lower number. Okay, so now we'll find, first of all we'll find the first question, how much was the sale of 2 weeks. So sale of 2 weeks was equal to 400 and 768 plus 285 and 891. Okay, so this much if you add up, then you will find from, we will start from the right side. So 9, and then 9 and 6, it will add up to 5. 1 is the one we have on in our hand, and then 5 and 7, 5 is 12, and this comes out to be then 6. Then we'll go like this, and something is wrong, something is wrong. It cannot be 6. So I think something I have written somewhere wrong. So okay, we have done this one, we have done this one, and now we have to do this one. Okay, 8 and 7, then okay, 16. Okay, then 16 and 1 we have in our hand, and now we have 5 and 0, and we have already have 1, so 6, and then 8 is there, and then 0 is there, then we have 8, and now we have 6, so 2 and 4, this is 6. Okay, so the total answer will be 6,86,659. Okay, so this is the answer that we have. Now in which week it was sale was greater, means the higher one is the greater means sale. So in the second week, in the second week sale was higher. Sorry for bad handwriting. So this is the answer for this one. And the sale by how much? So for by how much, we will subtract from higher one to lower one. Okay, so sale was higher by 4,00768 minus 285,891. Okay, so you can subtract this easily, and you subtract 8 1, then it becomes 7, and then from 6 9, then you have to take one digit from here, and this will become 16, and subtract then 7, and then this will become 6, and you have 8 here, then you need to take means one from left side, and subtract the later one, and then it will come 8, and then similarly it will become 9, and then you have to subtract 5, then it will become 4, and now it is 39 minus 28, it is 11. Okay, so this much is the answer, 11. This is 11. So 1,14,817. So by this much the means second week sale was higher than the first week. Okay, I think you got the answer. Now we'll go for the fifth question. Okay, we'll go little faster. So find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using 6, 2, 7, 4 and 3. Okay, each only once. Okay, so first of all we need to write the greatest number that can be made by this, and then we need to means have the least means 5-digit number that can be made using these 5 digits. So if you want to make the number that is means greatest, then you need to start from the greatest number among them. So 7 is the greatest, so we'll start by the 7. Then the second greatest, that is 6, and then third greatest is 4, and then the another one, that is 3 and 2. So this is the greatest number that can be made from these digits. Now the least 5-digit number that can be made, so we'll reverse it. So we'll take the least number first, then more than this is 3, then 4, then 6, and then 7. Okay, so this is this number is the least can be made from this one. So what is it is asking? It is asking for the difference. So how much the difference will be there? So difference will be greatest minus least. Greatest minus least. Okay, so this will be equal to 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and you need to subtract this. So we'll write just below this so that we can subtract easily. 2, 3 and 4 and 6 and 7. Okay, So if you want to subtract this, you can do it easily and write it 5 here, and then after 5 it will come 6 here, and after 6 it will come 9 here, and now it has become 5 minus 3 will become 2 here, and here it is 7 only, so this is 5. So this is the difference between the greatest number and the least or lowest number. That is these 5 digits. So these are the 5 questions of exercise. Exercise, I think it is 1.2. That is available at page number 16 of the class 6th CBSE board book. So this is all. If you have any questions, just put your questions in the comment. Thank you.